Welcome back to the lesson of Microsoft Word. Now, we're going to show you how you will be able to create your Word document. Well, creating Word document is one of the simplest way or simplest, lesson where you will be able to get in Microsoft Word. So, there are several ways of creating a Word document. So before that, what is a Word document? So, in Microsoft Word, when you save a document or a page, or maybe let's say a ton of pages, or even your presentation, let's say, but it's still in Microsoft Word, that whole document or the whole presentation or your work is termed as a Word document because this is or the Microsoft Word helps you or makes it look like a document or is called a document. Okay, so in other softwares like Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel, in Microsoft PowerPoint it's called a PowerPoint presentation. Even if it's the presentation, it's called a PowerPoint presentation, or also in the format of PPTX, while in Microsoft Word is DOC. And in Excel, it's called an Excel spreadsheet, okay, or a worksheet, okay. So this is how, or when you save on a document or save a page or a ton of pages in Microsoft Word, it's called a Word document. There are several ways of it. First of all, let's say we're gonna start adding some data, okay. We're gonna show you, let's say, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The lazy dog. My bad, it should be dog. Now, as I can see over here, now if I want to save it, I can just click on here. Well, just as you can see that I have this document available in my, my desktop, as you can see over here. But if I want to now I have to save it and then I have to get out. But you can see that I still have this document. Well, this document is also called a Word document. Now I can open it up whenever I want and you can see the data will still be saved. But if I don't save it, the data will not save, yet it will still be a Word document. Now we're going to show you how you will be able to save as and then call it a Word document. Now first off, if you want to open up a new document, what you can do is just go to Files, and then from there just click on whichever one you want. If you want a theme, just click on the themes or templates, but if you want a blank document, just click on a blank document and it will directly open up. But you can also do it in a shortcut way, which is also called a keyboard shortcut. Just press on Ctrl+N. As you can see, this is document 1. When I press Ctrl+N, you can see a new document has been prepared and my mouse was still over here. I didn't go to File and then click on it, yet I just pressed on Ctrl+N and it directly opened up a new blank document. Well, it's gonna save you a lot of time if you start using shortcut keys. Well, I will show some more of those later on, but let's just stick to the lesson of creating a Word document. Now, if you want to save another document or more documents just like that, just like a Word document, first off, what you're gonna do is edit your data over here in this page where you will be able to edit your data. Now we're gonna go to Files. After going to Files, you can see that there is an option called Save and Save As. Save is also the similar to this save. Well, it just saves, and you can also see the keyboard shortcut, which is going to be Ctrl+S. First go to Files and just click on Save As, and it will also take you to the Save As document or the interface, also similar to Open interface, but this is going to be the Save As interface. You will be able to save in the recent ones. You can also save it to OneDrive, your PC, at a place like business or personal, and also browse if you select on it. And then you will also see there is an option called Save As Type. Well, as you can see, this is Doc2. I'm gonna go and save it on my desktop. So I'm gonna go to Desktop. From here, I'm gonna just save it as Doc2. Save As Type, you can see that you will be able to save it in different formats. Now let's say I'm gonna save it, just click on Save. And I'm just press on OK. And you can see that when I go to my desktop, I'm gonna don't save it, and you can see that there is a new document made, and this is also a Word document. You can see it by going to Properties, and you can see that the option is still docx, which is also called a Word document, as you can see over here. Well, these are some of the ways how you will be able to open up a document or a Word document. Well, if you want to like open up like more documents, well, that is going to be up to you. Okay, so first off, what you're gonna do is just press on, press Ctrl+N, and that is how you'll be able to make another document. And what you're gonna do is just save that document on a specific, a specific place in your PC, and that will also be a Word document. Even if you save it as a different format, it will still be called a Word document, because in Word, all of those works are termed as Word documents. But there are some formats, which is going to be, let's say, PDF, then maybe some rich text format. Well, those are not termed as PDF, okay? I mean, the Word document. But those are like different things which you need some other softwares to view those documents. So as you know that how you will be able to prepare a Word document, now let's show you some basic tools, which is going to be the clipboard tool. Okay, so the clipboard tool is going to contain paste, cut, copy, and format painter. So first off, I'm just going to show you how you will be able to cut, copy, and paste. So first off, let's add in some data. Let's say oranges right over here. First off, what you're gonna need to learn first is how you can like select the text. If you want to select the text, what you're gonna do is there are 3 ways how you can select the text. First off, what you're gonna do is just click on Shift and then select on the direction, or click on the button where the data is. So my data is on the left of my cursor, so I'm gonna press on left and hold it on, and you can see that my text has been selected. First off, what I'm gonna do is just press on copy. If you want to paste it, well, there are also navigations in Microsoft Word. You can just press on left, right, up and down, and press enter if you want to skip a line. And if you want to align your text according to the margin, just press on tab, and you can see that it's changing its page, or maybe changing the alignment. Now what I'm gonna do is paste it just as I copied that text. You can select the text in a different way. What you can do is just drag your mouse key by holding on to your left mouse key, and then just select on copy, and it is still copied. Now I'm gonna go hit enter and paste it. If you want to paste it, just click on your right mouse key, and you can see that there is an option called paste. Select on whichever one you want. Okay, I'm gonna press paste, and you can see that the data has been pasted. If you wanna like press enter again and paste it again, you can just paste it. Well, there is another option how you can paste, which is going to be Ctrl+V, and you can see that the data has been pasted. You can also use the shortcut key of Ctrl+C to copy the text. Let's say Ctrl+C, and it's still copied. I'm gonna go over here, paste it, and you can see it has still been copied. Now another thing how you can like select the text, what you can do is just double tap on the text, and you can see that all of them are selected. Let's say you have a paragraph. So what you're going to do is just triple click on it, and all of the text will be selected. Okay. So I'm going to do is show you cut now. Now if you want to cut data, well, cutting is not deleting, but what it does is just cuts the data and pastes it wherever you want. Okay. This just directly takes you. So what you're going to do is just press on cut, and you can select on here and press Ctrl+V, or just paste it however you want. Okay, Ctrl+V, and you can see it has been pasted. Let's press Ctrl+X for a shortcut key. I'm going to paste it over here, Ctrl+V, and you can see that the text has been pasted. Now let's say all of them should be cut. Ctrl+X, I'm going to paste it over here, and you can see that all of them has been pasted over here. You can also select on this cut option and paste it right like this. You can also use those buttons to paste those data. Ctrl+X, and you can see paste option. You will be able to do that. Now we have is the format painter. Now let's say I'm gonna edit this data a bit. Let's say I'm gonna make it red. What I'm gonna do is also increase the size a bit. Now what I'm gonna do is I want all of those like text to appear just like this. So what I'm gonna do over here is use the option called format painter. Well, what it does is just imitates all of these formats which it has in a specific type of data, and then applies the same format in the other ones. So what I'm going to do is just click on Format Painter, and you can see that your cursor will turn into a brush. Now drag it over the ones where you want to do it. Let's say I want to select all those, and you can see that all of those data has the same type of format. So this is how all of these tools will work. So hope you guys understood everything, and thank you for watching this video.